Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and sound. Students, we are doing chapter 11, that chapter name is time, as we have done exercise 11.1. So today we will start with the exercise 11.2. So your exercise 11.2 is based on this calendar. You can see there is a calendar of year 2019. Okay, so what is calendar? A calendar shows the days, weeks and month of the year. A calendar shows the days, weeks and months of a year. Okay, so you can see here 12 months are given: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So you can see there 1 year is equal to how many months? 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Okay, some students are getting confused. 1 week is equal to 7 days and 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay, 1 week is equal to 7 days means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, and 1 year is equal to how many weeks? How many total weeks are there in 1 year? That is 52 weeks. This you have to learn. Okay, 52 weeks, and 1 year is equal to 365 days. Okay, if it is a leap year, then the number of days will be in 1 year, that will be 366 days. Okay, now see next one. All months of a year don't have equal number of days. Yes, all months of a year don't have equal number of days, means some months are having 31 days, some are having 30 days, and one month is having 28 or 29 days. Okay, now see here, January, March, May, July, August, October, December have 31 days. Okay, 7 months are having 31 days. Which ones? January, March, May, July, August, October and December, they are having 31 days. Okay, this you have to learn. April, June, September and November, they are having 30 days. 4 months are having 30 days. Okay, so 7 and 4, 12, 7 and 4, 11, and one more is there. So 1 month is, that is February. So February is having 28 days. Okay, and 29 also when it will be leap year. Okay, after 4 year leap year is coming. So then only it will have 29 days. Okay, so the next topic is writing a date. How to write a date? Writing the date. What is the date today? What is the date today? That is 9th. Okay, 9th of August 2021. So how we can write the date? Firstly date, then month, then year. Like this way we are writing the date. Okay, so for example 15/8/2019 tells us that date is 15, month is August and year is 2019. Okay, if I have written this is 9 is date, 8th is month, that is August, and year is 2021. Okay, now see here, we can write date also like this. 15/8/2019 can also be written as 15/8/19. Okay, this is also one format. Okay, in exercise you will do in 3 format how to write date. Firstly it is with zeros, 15, then 08, then 2019, complete year we will write. In second, how we will write? 15, then 8, direct one. Okay, 15/8/19. And third, in the word we can write 15th August 2019. Okay, so now come to exercise. See students, first question. Based on the calendar on page 160, answer the following questions. Okay, now see the question. What is the date on the 10th Sunday of the year? What is the date on 10th Sunday of the year? Okay, this is the year 2019. Okay, you have to see the 10th Sunday falls on which date. Now come on this calendar, 10th Sunday. See very carefully. Okay, 10th Sunday. Now we will start from, these are the Sundays. These are Sundays started. Okay, first Sunday is on 6, then 13, then 20, then 27. These are how many Sundays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 9, 10. 9, 10, see very carefully. 31 is coming later on. Firstly we will start from 3 and 10. So your 10th Sunday falls on 10th March. 10th Sunday is falling on 10th March. Count, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on January, 4 in February, okay, and 2 in March. So that will be on 10th of March. Clear, students? So first answer will be 10th March 2019. Second is, what is the date on the 5th day of the 7th month? 5th day, okay, 5th day of 7th month. So come on, 7th month, which one is the 7th month? That is July, okay. So 5th day falls on which? Yeah, what is the date on the 5th day? You have to see the date on the 5th day. So 5th day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5th day date will be 5 July. Okay, 5 July 2019. So your answer will be 5th of July 2019. Okay, name the month that has date 31st on Friday. Name the month that has the date 31st on Friday. Okay, you have to search that month where is date 31 comes on Friday. Now come and see here, 31 where it is coming on Friday, that you have to see. Okay, see now, have a look. You will see, yeah, this is the May month. You can see 31st is coming on Friday. Okay, so what you will write, that month is May. Okay, so your answer will be May. Okay, come to next now. Name the month that has the date 1 on Saturday. Okay, name the month that has the date 1 on Saturday. So see now, date 1 on Saturday. Date 1 on Saturday, you can see there is June. Okay, 1st June falls on Saturday. So answer will be June. That month will be June. Okay, now 5th question. On which day did the year begin? On which day did the year begin? So your year is starting from 1st January. So your 1st January falls on Tuesday. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So answer will be Tuesday. Okay, now 6th question. How many Fridays are there in May? How many Fridays are there in May? So May we will see now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Fridays are there on May. Okay, 7th last question. Name the day on which Independence Day falls. So we know 15th of August. Okay, 15th of August, you see which day it's coming. 15th of August, you can see it's on Thursday. Okay, 15th of August, you see here it is, so it comes on Thursday. Okay, so answer will be Thursday. I hope it is first question is clear, A part is clear. Okay, B part, in the calendar on page 160 circle the following date. So these date you have to mark in book only. Okay, you no need to make this calendar in notebook only. A part you have to do in this in your notebook. B part you will mark in book only. Clear, students? Okay, and these 5 September, 2nd October, 14 November, 25th December, these specialty you will write in notebook. Okay, why these days are special, that you will write in your notebook. Okay, now see, we have to mark 5th of September in book. 5th of September I have marked, then 2nd October, then 14th of November, then 25th of December. These you all will mark in your book. Clear, students? 5 September Teacher Day is celebrated on 5th of September and the birthday of the former President Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Okay, 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. 14 November Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November as a tribute to the country's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. 25th December Christmas is celebrated on 25th December on the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay, now come on, C part. This is the important question. Write the days in the different formats. Okay, formats I told you, we can write dates in the 3 formats. Okay, first one is given to you Okay, and 2 you have to fill. First part is done for you. 1st January 2019, how you will write? Okay, we can write January is first month, so in second format we will use zeros. Okay, if single digit is there, single number is there, you will use 0. So 01/01 2019 complete year you will write. In second format direct only 1/1/19. Okay, without 0 and without complete year 19 we will write. Okay, this is the third format. Try to understand, 3 formats are there. First you will write with the month, okay, like 1st January 2019. Second format with 00. If single digit is there like 1, then with 0 01/01 2019, and third directly. Like second is 15th of August 1947, so 15 August is 8th month, so we will write with 0 and complete year. Third we will write directly 15/8/47. Okay, in third part this is given to you, and that 2 formats you have to write. So in first one 25th December 2020, and here in third you will write direct 25/12/20, because 25 is 2 digit, 12 is also 2 digit, so no need to write 0. Okay, fourth one see 2nd October 1950, so second 2 is single digit, so write with 0, 10 like this, and 1950 2/10/50. Okay, last one 5th September 2019, that we have to write. Okay, they have written 05/09 2019, direct we will write in third format, that is 5/9/19. Okay, so this exercise is quite simple. Okay students, so do in notebook, only B part you have to do in book. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Have a good day to all. God